It is indeed a very beautiful day, and my perfect recipe for today just says it all. I want to appreciate everyone watching Fofolicious Food Bites around the world. Your smile is always my delight. So let me show you a very loved, healthy, simple Nigerian recipe, akara and pap. For akara, you basically need beans, rodo, tatashe, onions, vegetable oil, salt, and for my special delight, I'm adding spring onions, green and red bell pepper. Time to make my special akara. First, I peel and clean my beans, blend into a smooth thick paste and mix together till it's very fluffy. Then I add my salt, veggies, heat up my vegetable oil, and it's time to fry. My oil is hot now and it's time to start frying. Don't overcrowd the pan and flip the akara till it is done. Be honest with me, when frying generally, how much food gets eaten, missing before the meal is finally served? When growing up, once it's frying time, that's when I see my siblings in the kitchen. They will come and greet the master chef, me. But when going, they will pick the chips, akara, plantain, or anything that is frying. More work and time for me in the kitchen. That's the fun anyway. It's looking good already. I made my pap, added a bit of sugar and milk. Time to serve my akara and pap. Simple but satisfying recipe. Please recreate and enjoy.